No gym, no problem. How to get a full body workout with 100 push-ups a day. Welcome to No Gym, no problem. How to get a full body workout with 100 push-ups a day. Are you tired of going to the gym and not seeing significant results? Do you want to build a strong foundation for your body without breaking the bank or leaving your couch? Well, you're in luck. Here's a simple, effective, and affordable way to get a full body workout with just 100 push-ups a day. First, let's talk about why push-ups are an excellent choice for a full body workout. Push-ups target all the major muscle groups in your body, including your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They also help improve your cardiovascular health and increase your metabolism, which will help you burn more calories throughout the day. Now, let's get started with our 100 push-up plan. Remember, consistency is key, so aim to do these push-ups at least 3 times a week. 1. Warm up. Start with 3 sets of 10 push-ups, and gradually increase as you get stronger. 2. Maintenance. 3 sets of 25 push-ups is a great starting point. Keep up this routine to maintain your strength. 3. Progressive overload. For an extra challenge, try adding 3 sets of 30, 35, or even 40 push-ups to your routine. Remember, the goal is to gradually increase the number of push-ups you're doing, not to push yourself too hard and risk injury. 4. Rest and recover. Listen to your body and take at least 1 rest day per week to allow your muscles to recover and grow. 5. Find your fit. Push-ups can be done in various positions, such as traditional push-ups, modified push-ups knees down, or plank push-ups. Experiment with different variations to keep things interesting and find the one that suits you best. And there you have it. With just 100 push-ups a day, you can achieve a full body workout and improve your overall health and fitness. Remember, consistency is the key, and don't be discouraged if you miss a day or 2. Keep pushing yourself, and soon you'll be amazed at the results. Happy training!